I searched how to buy shares of Diasorin to show the exact steps. Diasorin is an Italian clinical diagnostics company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker DIA.MI, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You will need a broker account to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker DIA.MI to locate the correct listing. Select the result that matches Diasorin on CBOE EU to open the company page. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker to confirm you have the correct stock. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A soft reminder, the link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the example.